Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 6th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody had a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Debby and also the impacts off the southeast coast, which is currently, as you can see on the satellite imagery here, I do not have it working because I've been having a problem with it. Don't want to download and then go to the other graphics, so I'm doing it this way. But you can see we've got plenty of atmospheric moisture over the southeast from Georgia to South Carolina and North Carolina, and it will continue to move on into Virginia and northeastern United States. Center of rotation is currently east of Savannah, Georgia, and it will continue to move slowly, I repeat slowly, off to the east and then a slow crawl to the north. Then when it makes landfall, then it will slowly continue to push off to the north with a little bit faster forward speed. Alright, also we're going to be taking a look at the Charleston, South Carolina weather radar. Also currently, you can see the center of rotation on it. Also the current watch and warning advisory map. Also the storm prediction, the tropical weather outlook for rainfall total across the southeastern United States. And also the category for slight, moderate, and high risk for rainfall. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see I was just showing you the satellite imagery. Let's see if we can get to the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center. Okay, here is the 5 p.m. update. Located right here, like I said, just near Savannah, Georgia, just moving east of there. It will continue to move east and then out into the coastal waters and then slowly make a landfall between Charleston and around Georgetown and Myrtle Beach area. We'll continue to move up in toward the Florence area of South Carolina, then towards just west of Raleigh, and then up to central Virginia, and then make a run into southern and southeastern Canada by 2 p.m. Sunday. Alright, if you're tracking the system at home, it's located in latitude 32.1 north, longitude 80.8 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles an hour currently, with higher gusts moving this to the east-northeast at 3 miles per hour. Right now, it's classified as a tropical storm with winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast cones. The model SpaghettiOs. Alright, you can see here the current position, like I said, off the South Carolina and Georgia coast. Continue to move to the east. A lot of them makes a turn to the northwest, right into central and eastern South Carolina, then through central North Carolina, and then right on into the northeastern United States, and then on east to central and southeastern Canada. Alright, and let's take a look at the intensity guidance of this system. Knot winds equal to 40 miles per hour. Remains a weak tropical storm. It may gain strength up to almost 50 to 60 miles per hour before it makes landfall again. So would not be surprised to see maybe some tropical storm warnings again for the Grand Strand, maybe some inland areas as well as we get closer towards the tomorrow evening event and Wednesday. So could have some wind gusts up 30 to 40 miles per hour possible. That's wind gusts. Up to tropical. Alright, now let's take a look at Charleston, South Carolina weather radar. As you can see, it's not a very well circulation of the center of rotation, but you can see it is slowly turning out here in the east of Savannah, also down towards south of Hilton Head Island there, spinning there off the coast. These feeder bands continue to push inland. You can see we got some heavy precipitation from Camden to Columbia, back toward Aiken, Augusta area, toward Barnwell, back down toward Statesboro, Georgia, Valdosta, you included, Haynesville, Georgia, Savannah, also down towards Waycross, Georgia. You're going to get in on some heavy precipitation as well. Darlington, Florence, you included, Georgetown and Myrtle Beach. Charleston toward Waltersboro, toward Beaufort, just north of Hilton Head. There's only scattered showers there in that area, and that should remain the case for the remainder of this evening. But this continues to just spin and spin and spin right over this area here. So expect showers and storms to continue. Put retrograding back to the west towards inland areas of South and North Carolina. Alright, let's take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, as you can see here, storm watches and ongoing warnings in the northeastern United States, up here around Pennsylvania, over towards the Delaware, New Jersey area. Flood advisories there as well. Flood watches also included. We have some severe weather included for western Pennsylvania. Flood advisories for portion of Ohio. Special weather statements also included. The big story here is across the southeastern United States, from Virginia to South and North Carolina and Georgia. We have tropical storm warnings in the coastal waters. All of these burgundy colors here across South Carolina down in the southeastern Georgia, these are flash flood warnings. A few tropical storm warnings inland as well. A tornado watch for PD region of South Carolina, southeastern North Carolina, and also the coastal waters there as well. Alright, we have heat advisories also in effect for portions of Alabama to Florida, Mississippi to Louisiana to Arkansas, over to Oklahoma to Texas. Also warning county here in portion of New Mexico, more over here in portion of Utah, Nevada, and a little bit of California region. Red flag warning for Wyoming and Idaho. We have more severe thunderstorm watches been posted for Montana, portions of northeastern areas of Wyoming and western South Dakota. Air quality alert for Washington, Oregon State, also in the portion of Colorado and southern Texas. We have excessive heat warning for South California and also southern Nevada and northwestern areas of Arizona. Also, we have a dust advisory for southwestern Arizona as well. Alright, small craft advisory from Oregon State to Southern California. Also up here around the Boston area down to the east coast of Florida, west coast, all the way back to the Big Bend area of Florida. Alright, Central and South Hawaii and Chain Island got some small craft advisory. North side looks good. Around the western Alaska area there, red flag warning and special weather statements for the Alaska area. Alright, Tropical Storm Debby rainfall totals for the Carolinas and Georgia. As you can see, we have a 1 to 2 inch range across portion of Florida, coastal waters, portion of western South Carolina and North Carolina. But the biggest area is the 12 to 16 from just east of Raleigh back down into the PD region of South Carolina. We have a 8 to 12 inch rainfall total from Charlotte to Columbia to just down to Orangeburg to Charleston area. We have a 20 to 30 inch rainfall total possible across northeastern South Carolina, just northwest of Wilmington. And we may even have 30 plus inches in that region as well, so would not be surprised at that. Lighter amounts elsewhere from 4 to 6 inches across portions of western North Carolina, toward Greenville, Spartanburg area, toward Newberry, down toward Augusta, maybe down toward the Albany area of Georgia, maybe toward Savannah, maybe 4 to 6 inches of rain in your area. Alright, let's take a look at the high risk area for flash flooding. This is from Raleigh all the way to Columbia, all the way to Charleston, and back into southeastern Georgia. You're in the high risk area of flash flooding. A moderate risk northeast of Wilmington, just east of Raleigh, to Charlotte, to Augusta. You're included in that. Then we have a slight risk from up here around Asheville to Greenville, Spartanburg, down toward Jacksonville, and then another one from just east of Knoxville to Tallahassee to Orlando, Tampa. You're in the slight risk for excessive rainfall, flash flooding risk as well. Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and also share my channel if you'd like to as well. Have a good evening, everyone. Enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And enjoy your Tuesday evening, folks. And try not to get too wet.